Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix same profile picture on Instagram. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and here you have to update Instagram latest version. After updating your Instagram, you have to open your Instagram app. After that, here you have to open your Instagram app. After that, you have to tap on right bottom your profile icon. When you click on right bottom your profile icon, here you have to click on your profile icon and hold for few seconds. You can also click on edit profile. After that, you have to click on edit profile and avatar. You have to click on this button. When you click on this, now here you have to click on new profile picture. Here you have to click on new profile picture. After that, here you have to select any profile picture. Here you have to select any profile picture for your Instagram. After selecting your profile picture, you have to tap on top right next button. Now here you have to click on again next button at the right bottom. In this way you can fix same profile picture problem on Instagram.